Hi everyone, it's Kerry here. Well, it's already March 2023, excuse my squeaky seat, and I want to show you the unboxing for Paper Inspirations from Sue for this month. Yeah, very excited. The boxes went out in the mail yesterday for the ladies who pre-ordered, and the ones who do the pickup can go and get them from Sue. Just give her a call and you can go and collect them. So yay, let's see how we go. So this month's collage, your box will have a similar collage, the oval with I didn't actually see most of them, they were packed up before I had a look, but this is my lovely one this month. So let's have a open it up. Inside our boxes we always get a lovely note. I'll look at this one for next month, later on. I'll have a look what's inside. Okay, just put this to the side. Just trying to get used to my setup for filming, and I'm struggling to get my videos up. So okay, so we've got a packet with some rickrack in it. So always get some sort of fibre for this one. It's lovely, 3 different rickracks. That's gorgeous. So I'm not sure. Sue will always give we'll always put in the box a fibre, a stamp, some washing tape, something to journal on, normally some stickers, and not every box is exactly the same, so you might get a different colour fibre or slightly different washi tape, but it'll all be similar. Excuse me. And the themes are always nature. It's a nature journal, a nature box to go in your journals. So at the bottom of the video I'll put the link in case you're interested in ordering some boxes, and there's some boxes from the last few months still available. That's all in her shop, so put that off to the side. We also always get some marshmallows and a packet of tea, so I'll have those later. Oh, lovely. There's some thread. We've got some thread as well this month, so we've actually got 2 different fibres. Oh, beautiful. So the stamp is a uniquely creative one. It's called Zentangle Feathers. That's really gorgeous. That's beautiful. I love doing the Zentangles. Wasn't very successful when I did it, but did enjoy doing it. So let's have a look. Sue's packaging is always really stunning. Look at that little envelope, and she tries to make the packaging so it can be reused as much as possible. So look at that. Okay, inside this one, as I said, it's nature, and the boxes are nature themed. So this one's got some really lovely leaf stickers. Should have had a paler background for you to see. Hopefully you can see those. Just stunning. I've actually got to start using some of Sue's, some of the items in Sue's boxes. I do use the stamps a lot, I must say. Just lovely. There we go. Then, oh lovely, the substrate for this month is some embossed tags, various different ones. I'm not going to undo the ribbon. They're all different embossing the tags, different embossed, and they're gorgeous and nicely presented as always. Sue always presents her stuff so beautifully. And then in this little sewn packet, these are nice. They're bits that you can use for collage. So there's craft paper. There's vellum pieces with white and brown pictures on them. So they're repeating but in white and brown. They're lovely. Oh, they're gorgeous. So that's in those. Oh, I don't want to undo that. See if I can slide off the ribbon. No, I can't. Oh, yeah. That's so cute. Look at that little package. I bet you that's going to tear because it's a doily. Oh no. Okay, what's in there? Oh, look at that. Just so thoughtfully packaged. Okay, so these look like they're I think they're vellum stickers. Look at them, aren't they gorgeous? Lots of them with gold. Don't know if you can see that with the lots of different ones. So gorgeous. Little packet of vellum stickers. They're advertising stickers. Oh, look at that one's nice as well. It's really pretty and elegant. And there's another one. They're wrapped in that little package. And then the vellum. Well, that's nice. I mean, sorry, the washi tape. That's lovely. It's got like rose themes, and it's sort of a rusty burgundy sort of colour with flecks of gold. So you can see the shiny gold on there. That's gorgeous, actually. If I can open it easily. I went to open it and have a good look. Will it let me open it? Thought I felt perforations or saw perforations, but my eyes aren't the best, so who knows what I saw. Don't want to damage it. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, how exciting. Okay, let's have a look. Don't tell me there's 2 layers. Had to be 2 layers, didn't there? Sure, that's the second layer of packaging. Oh no. Oh, hang on. Let's have a look. No. There we go. There we go. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. Oh, and they've actually got tear off pieces. There you go. You might not have been able to see that. They are stunning. Look at that. That is so pretty. There we go. Okay, so that's the washi tape for this month. Okay, and we have a dotty packet. In the dotty packet is what's this? Some more vellum stickers. Oh, they're lovely. Again, the botanicals, because it is a botanical box. Oh, look at that rose. Oh, look at that. That's so gorgeous. They are so lovely. I think some of these were upside down. Look at that. Oh, I love them. Mushrooms. Gonna have to do them. Oh, look at that daffodil. This makes me think of my great aunt, Auntie Lily. Oh wow, beautiful. And some vellum paper. Oh, is it rice paper? Oh, thistles, cosmos, rose. Oh, sorry about that. Apologise for that noise. It made me jump. That was my board falling over. Okay, and oh look, if you haven't seen these before, these are Sue's coffee and tea dyed paper bags. Beautiful. You can buy those in her shop. It has 2 different sizes. Okay, what's in here? Oh, lovely. These are perforated. So those would be good as well for a little collage. Oh, purple. Oh, purple. And green ones. They're gorgeous. Look at how many there are. Wow. Lovely. So I've got those. And then, oh, look at that. Oh, wow. This is very special. It's charms on a... Aren't they beautiful? Tree of life, a bird, a heart, a bird cage, a rose and a peacock. Aren't they gorgeous? So ladies, I hope you've enjoyed watching my unboxing. I will put a spoiler alert on, so I hope you've all opened yours by the time you see mine. If you haven't come across Sue's shop yet and you'd like to have a look and see all the gorgeous things she sells, I'll put a link down the bottom. And if you haven't had looked at any of her boxes yet and you'd like to see what's in them, you can have in the previous ones. You can have a look at either my previous videos or yeah, have a look how you go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping to bring you some more. I'm having so much trouble uploading my videos at the moment, so I'm hoping this one will go easier, and then I'm going to try and do some more making videos, but I keep getting an error on my iPad and on my computer and on my phone, so I don't know what's going on. So hopefully this will work better and I can get it up to you today. Otherwise you're going to think that I've run away. Just smooth this over because I think I might be out of... There we go. So those are all the beautiful, lovely goodies that we've got in our box, mystery box this month, March, from Sue at Paper Inspirations. Thank you for watching, and we'll chat soon. Bye.